Every day from Kerala, 200 lorries are going to various parts of the country for supplying jackfruits. And Varghese told me, I am not an authority on this. Varghese told me that, no, this is not a seasonal fruit. In his estate, he is supplying 365 days in a year jackfruits. The secret also, he conveyed to me, that is his trade secret, that is why I am not disclosing it. So, this importance is there, and I hope now medicinal value of it is proved. Even for cancer, it is a treatment according to those people. I am not sure about all these things. And Goa is concerned, traditionally people are using jackfruits, and our interest, my interest, our interest, Goan's interest, I would like to say, we have started all these things with a specific purpose. Our farmers, village people are the permanent asset of this country, and development is possible through them, and that is why my Gramina Sambhurna Yatra was a grand success. I covered almost all villages.
बिहारचो राज्यपाल राजेंद्र आल्लेकर आणि तेलंगणचो राज्यपाल डॉक्टर तमिलीसाई सौंदरराजन ह्या फेस्टिवलाक हजर आशिल्ली.
फणस आसत, आंबो आसत, बाकीचे ह्या सिजनल अशे त्या वेळार मोसमान जातात अशी फळां आसत. आणि आंब्याचो महोत्सव मँगो फेस्टिवल हे गोंयान आमच्या दर वर्स जायत आसता. फाटली कितलीशींच वर्सां आंब्याचें प्रदर्शन खूब कडेन पळयल्लें आसा. हांवें खूब फाटी वचून उद्घाटनाकय गेल्लो आसा. पण पणसाचो महोत्सव हो पयले फावट पळयता.
As a doctor, we have to encourage eating our seasonal foods, our country fruits. Sometimes we will be longing for berries, cherries, but we won't bother about our nearby jackfruit, our plantain. So these are all our country fruits. And as our Honorable Prime Minister always say, vocal for local. So don't long for which are very far away. Please enjoy the things which are nearer to us.
प्रुडंटा खातीर साहिल मांद्रेकर आणि स्वप्नील तारी.